everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to save tons of money on a Cricut maker. So I've had my eye on one of these Cricut makers for quite some time now, but I never wanted to spend as much as they cost. So I basically just kept checking and finding different ways to save money, and that's what I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So they typically retail just for the base machine. Right now they go for around $2.99 on sale. And then if you get one of the bundles can go from $3.50 on up. So I ended up getting a bundle, and my bundle, I saved almost $100 off of the sale price. So I think I'll go into the exact numbers in a bit, but I ended up getting a bundle for about $2.75. So I think that was a really good deal, and I'm gonna share with you how I ended up doing that. You have to combine a couple different things, and it gets a little trickier, but I'll walk you through the steps that I took. And then after I walk you through that, I'm gonna unbox this for you in the video, and I'll show you what exactly I got in mine. So let's get started. Okay, so if I just start off on the Cricut website, just looking at the base prices that these cost. So the regular just Cricut Maker machine in the champagne color costs $2.99. And then if you get one of the bundles, this bundle costs $359.99. And there are different bundles on this website as well that just go up in price. Strangely though, they only have this bundle in stock right now. You can't even get the regular machine. So if you want to go beyond the Cricut website to purchase one, which is what I would recommend, there are a couple different websites that I've been able to find the best deals on. So they are available on quite a few different websites. So they're available on Joann's, Michael's, the Home Shopping Network, different Hobby Lobby has them, Amazon has them. There's a couple different websites. The ones I've had the most luck on are Michael's and the Home Shopping Network. And the two tools that I found that work best with those two websites to save additional money back is going to be a website called Rakuten. So let me go there first. So this is what Rakuten is. And basically when you're online shopping, you activate these different offers. So like if I were shopping at Macy's today, I could get 15% cash back. If I'm shopping at Michael's today, I could get 1% cash back. If I'm shopping at the Home Shopping Network today, I could get 10% cash back. And then basically you just have to wait a bit after you make your purchase. So it's pretty delayed. So it's almost like 3 months before you get your check usually. And then they just send you a check in your mail with the cash back. So you can see in the time I've had this app, in the time I've used this website, I've saved almost $600. So it's really great, highly recommend it. Or the second one that I think works really well is Join Honey. So Honey gives you cash back that you can use to get gift cards. So this is what I use personally to get my Cricut Maker machine. And so if I look at the Home Shopping Network, right now there are different deals that I can use on different products. So if I go to Arts, Crafts, and Sewing, or right here, it is. So if I were to buy this bundle through the link here, so if I went through Join Honey and then clicked right here, I would get basically $41.24 to use towards gift cards later on. So that's another great way to save money. So basically, if you use Rakuten, you just want to go, let's say we're doing the Home Shopping Network again. So you just go to the Home Shopping Network and then click Shop Now, and it'll take you directly to the Home Shopping Network's website, and you can search Cricut Maker. You can also use this coupon code with it as well. Cricut Maker, search, and the deal's already been activated, so I would just go through and check out with this item. Now, if instead I wanted to use Honey, I have the little add-on extension right here. But let's say I wanted to use Honey, I could just click on the item right here, activate offer and shop. It'll take me right to the website and I can check out that way. So you can only use one or the other, like Rakuten's telling me right now, since I'm using Honey, I can't get the 10% cash back. It's one or the other. So you basically just want to figure out on the day you're buying, which one has the higher value. So in the case of today, the $41.24 would be a higher value. That one you can use towards gift cards, whereas Rakuten is cash back. They're both delayed, so keep that in mind. You won't get it back super quickly, but it'll be like 3 months or so. But I still think it's worth it to use these two. So today, for example, Honey would be cheaper. Now on Michaels, this would be useful if you had a Michaels near you, or maybe you got some Michaels gift cards for Christmas or something like that. So on the Michaels website today, it just so happens the day I'm filming this, the Michaels Rakuten cashback is pretty low, so it's only 1%. But depending on the day, the Michaels one goes up pretty high. So you could find a Cricut maker So like the Cricut Maker's $299. They don't have as many bundles that I've seen on their website, but if you just wanted to do $299, and then let's say there was a day where there was higher cash back, like if you check back on Cyber Monday or really any of the big shopping holidays, they tend to have higher cash back. So then you could get like another $30 off. That'd be a great deal. Now, if you've never used the Rakuten or Join Honey, I'll have links down below. And a lot of times, if it's your first time using them, there's also sign-up bonuses, so you can combine that in as well. Now, another thing I wanted to note too, that you'll see when I show you my actual breakdown of how much I paid, was I was also able to combine with the Honey offer, or you can do this with Rakuten. You can combine in one of these offer codes that they have on the HSN website. So I did the one where you sign up for emails. So let me go down to the bottom here. Oh yeah, sign up for emails. And I just typed in my email address right there, hit sign up now. And then they emailed me a coupon. Okay, so this is the exact email I received. And at first I was a little confused because there was no discount code in this email. And I was just kind of scrolling along looking for it. And down here at the bottom in the fine print, I noticed that it gave details for a coupon, but it never actually told me what the coupon was, or it never gave me a code for it. But it told me I could use this coupon on any one item for 15% off my purchase of $25 or more for a maximum savings of $50. So if you sign up for emails and it says this at the bottom, what I did is I just went back to the HSN website, I did the live chat, and I asked them what my coupon code was because it had never showed up in the email. They were able to tell me what it was, and then I used that 15% off coupon for my bundle. So I was able to save $50 off, that's the maximum. I was able to save $50 off my bundle price, and then I used Honey as well, and that was almost another $50 for me that day. So I saved $100 off that bundle price, which was great. So now I'll get into the breakdown of the exact one I purchased. If you aren't able to get that email coupon, there are a lot of other different coupon codes that are available just throughout the HSN website. So you can see right here at the top of the screen, I have a $10 off $10 or more coupon code. When I first went onto that website, so if you rewind in the video, you'll see they gave me a $20 off of a $100 purchase. Any of those different coupon codes would work as well. I was just trying to find the highest value coupon that I could use. So this is the exact circuit bundle I purchased. It cost $349.95 from the HSN website. Then, as I mentioned before, I was able to use that $50 off coupon from my email. So that brought my total down to, after I paid shipping and tax, $338.06. Now I would recommend looking for free shipping. I didn't realize that was something that I could have gotten for free at the time I ordered mine, but right now they are having free shipping, so that would be like another $20 you could save off of it, because that's quite expensive for shipping. And then after I added in that coupon code, the last thing I did was the Honey bonus. So on my machine the day I purchased it, it was 4,997 points, which is $49.97 to use towards gift cards. So all in all, I combined the sale price on the HSN website with the coupon code, and then I added in the Honey bonus, and that allowed me to save almost $100 off of the sale price. I hope you enjoyed all those tips and tricks for how to get them for less than the listed price. So now I'm going to flip the camera around and I'll show you my unboxing of my Cricut maker. So these things are quite heavy too. I think mine was 27 pounds total for this box. So first I have the Anna Griffin Premium Vinyl. and quite a few sheets in here. It looks like about 6 sheets. Then I have Strong Bond patterned iron-on, 3 sheets. Next up, I have a scraper and a spatula. Sorry. I have premium vinyl removable. This is the basic value pack. 20 sheets, 12 by 12. So it comes with black and white, looks like 10 sheets of each. This one says deluxe paper. So it feels almost like a little bit thicker than those regular scrapbooking sheets of paper that you can get at craft stores. Inside of the envelope that says materials for your first project, you get 1 piece of white cardstock and then 1 piece of blue cardstock. So that's one of the reasons I got the bundle, so that way I could do more things to start with without having to figure out what to buy. So starting with these 2 is what just the base package comes with. So in this first box, we had a cutting tool, the pen, and then this looks like a cap for the cutting tool. Also the charging cord, and then this thing just had like the instructions for what website and everything like that to go to. We have the 2 mats, so the fabric grip and then the light grip. Charging cord. And then there is my machine. So I think the way it breaks down is if you just get the base Cricut maker, you get the machine, the mats, and then everything that came in this box right here. So like the blade, the pen, and then in my bundle, the extra stuff that came were all this vinyl, the premium vinyl, the patterned iron-on scraper and spatula, premium vinyl. This one I'm not sure about. This one could have just come with the machine, or it could have been part of the add-on bundle. And then also the paper. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them down below. And again, down in the description box, you're gonna find all of those links that I talked about before. So if you're looking for any of those discount codes or how to get to Rakuten or Honey, check down below. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.